Good morning for the third class. How do you do? I miss you so much. And the table of the class 3 are also missed you. So, how do you do? I hope you are all doing well. So, last session we finished Unit 7. And today's session we will start Unit 8. So, look at these pictures here, huh? To guess what does Unit 8 about, huh? Look at these pictures here. Look at these boys and two boys and one girl here. What are they doing here? To guess what the lesson is about. So, this lesson is about activities. So let's start our lesson with listening to these activities here in this video.
Vocabulary, 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 very. Draw, hop, paint, play the guitar, vocabulary, vocabulary, very. Play the drums, jump rope, speak English, whistle, vocabulary, very. Vocabulary.
Yes, let's re-listen to this song again.
Vocabulary, very. Draw, hop, paint, play the guitar, vocabulary, very. Play the drums, jump rope, speak English, whistle, vocabulary, very.
Yes, very good. We already seen different activities. We see different activities, chores activities. If you still remember, wash the car, make the table, sit the table, and etc. etc. These are chores activities, and we saw also beach activities. If you still remember, build a sand castle, eat ice cream, etc. etc. These are beach activities. Now we will see a new type of activities, okay? Abilities and disabilities activities. Okay, so let's start with this picture here. Draw. As you see, draw. You can draw here using a pencil and start draw a flower, draw whatever you want, some nature item or something else. Draw here.
Draw.
And hop. It's like a jump. It's a jump.
Hop.
Yes, you see this boy here? He is jumping. Hop. And this boy here, what does he do? He painting or
Paint.
paint. The difference between paint and draw. You see, in draw we're using pencil to draw, But in paint or painting, we using colors here. See, blue, red, purple, yellow, orange, etc. Painting. See, this boy is painting using color. The difference between draw and paint, you can draw with pencil, but paint with colors. So this one here is play the guitar.
Play the guitar.
Play the guitar. You see this girl here? She's sitting on this chair and playing the guitar. In front of her there is a music stand and the rhyme of the music. Okay? The melody, I think. This is the melody. And this boy, what does he do? He play on drums. These are drums. You see, these are drums. 1, 2, 3. These are drums. This boy using drumsticks to play a drum. These are drum. This is a drum.
Play the drums.
Play the drums. See, these are the drums. And move here to see this girl. She's jumps rope. She's jumps rope. Yes. Jump rope.
Jump rope.
Jump rope. This is the rope. With me. This is the rope. This is the rope here. This is a rope. This girl is jumps the rope. Okay. Jump rope.
Jump rope.
Then this one here, speak English.
Speak English.
Yes, this boy here speaks English. He speaks English. Hello, how are you? Like you are speak English. So this girl here, she's whistle. Okay, whistle.
Whistle.
Whistle. Whistle. You know what is whistle? Like this. Whistle. We call it whistle. Heard it again?
Whistle.
Whistle. Whistle.
Whistle.
Yes, these are some new activities that you will learn here or that we learned here. So draw, hop, paint, play the guitar, play the drums, and jump rope, and speak English and whistle. So let's move here to this song, to listen to this song. But before, look what are these children do? This one, he play on the guitar, and this one here, he play on the drums. Yes, and this girl here, she jumps rope. Yes. This one plays drums, and this one here plays guitar. This one jumps rope. So now we will move to listen to this song here. Let's start to listen to it.
Unit 8, Lessons 1 and 2. All day long.
I can jump, jump, jump all day long. I can jump rope and sing this song, but I can't whistle all day long. I can't whistle and sing this song. I can play, play, play all day long.
Oh, excuse me.
Unit 8, Lesson 1. Activity 1.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Unit 8. Lessons.
I can jump, jump, jump all day long. I can jump rope and sing this song, but I can't whistle all day long. I can't whistle and sing this song. I can play, play, play all day long. I can play the guitar and sing this song, but I can't whistle all day long. I can't whistle
very good. Let's re-listen it to it again.
Unit 8. Lessons
I can jump, jump, jump all day long. I can jump rope and sing this song. But I can't whistle all day long. I can't whistle and sing this song.
I can play, play, play all day long. I can play the guitar and sing this song. But I can't whistle all day long. I can't whistle and sing this song. I can play, play, play all day long. I can play the drums and sing this song. But I can't whistle all day long. I can't whistle and sing this song.
Yes, very good. Let's explain the word or the lyrics of this song. All day long. All day long. I can't. I can. Listen to the song and complete the blank and fill in the blank here. I can. All day long. So all day long, which means all the day, during the day, from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. all the day. So I told you, from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. all the day long. All day long. I can complete here. Complete this blank here. And sing this song. Sing, you know. La 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 la. So this is a song. But I can't. As you see, what is this? Can't. Here I can, but here I can't. I can. So here able, but this here disable. I can't whistle. Whistle, I can't. But I can't whistle all day long. All day long. I can't whistle and sing this song. You know, I can. For example, I can speak English, but I can't speak Spanish. For example, Ayman, he can speak French, but he can't speak Chinese. Hussam, he can speak Arabic, but he can't speak Japanese. He can't speak Japanese, sorry. For example, Mernisi, he can speak English, but he can't speak Portuguese. See, I can, I can't, I cannot. See the difference between can, can't. I can do this, but I can't do this. Okay. So when you fill in this blank here, you have to put numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Where is number 1? Where is number 2? Where is number 3? So put the numbers here. Then we finish this one. Move to language lodge. Complete the words. Then write them in the puzzle. A picture. What we draw a picture. And this one 10, okay? Picture. Picture. Play the R. What is finished with R? Speak. I don't know here, okay? So then when you finish all these words here, fill in this puzzle. Put it in the puzzle here, okay? So this is today's lesson. I hope you understand it well. If you have any question, write me on WhatsApp. Goodbye, my dear students.